Hey everyone, this is Level Ready from Abstrakt Music Lab, and today we're recreating the bass line from Echoes from Pretty Pink, and it sounds like this. And the original. It sounds pretty damn close. It was something that I wanted to recreate to show you guys how to make it. If you like, as usual, you can grab the preset here in the description below, or you can grab my preset pack, also available here in the description below. And if you like this video, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can also buy me a coffee. All those in the description below. It helps the channel, it helps me support the channel, and it's really appreciated. Enough with the talking, and let's start with the sound design. So let's initialize this preset, and this is how it sounds like right now. Pretty boring, so let's go and start by putting the unison to 8. We're gonna put the detune to 0.20, the octave to -1, and we're gonna put the master to 60%. But it's a little bit too much right now. We're gonna use a filter, MG low 12. We're gonna use the cutoff here and put it to 278 Hertz. But we're gonna modulate this with envelope 2. Envelope 2 starts with a 1.68 seconds decay. The sustain is gonna go all the way down. This handle is gonna go up here. And this is gonna go into the cutoff. We're gonna modulate this to 38. Resonance down to 7% and the drive to 37%, but I want to raise it so you can listen to it as I go. Not only it increases the volume, but it actually saturates the sound and makes it a little bit bigger, and that's what I want with it. But you can listen that it's still some notes playing together. We don't want this for the bass. So we're gonna activate the mono, and we still need that portamento that we did that wow, wow, wow. So we're gonna choose always. Portamento, we're gonna pick this and put it to 101. But this still has a little bit too much of mids, of mud specifically, around 600 to 1000. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick an EQ. The first EQ, we're gonna put this at 426. We're gonna pick the Q and put it to 30. And the gain, we're putting this to -4.7. And we're also putting this to a bell curve. It sounds like this. Without. It's basically taking a little bit of that wow. That's not what we want for this bass line. The second EQ, we're gonna have a high shelved at 1200. The Q, we're gonna leave it at 60%, and we're gonna just increase it a tad at 0.7 dB. Especially when there's the second note, we don't want the level of the sound to increase that much, so we're gonna activate a compressor and put the threshold to -9.5. Just a tad of compression, and that's it. This was a really simple bass to recreate it, but at the same time, it's really nice. It's really big and wide, so that's why I wanted to recreate it to you guys today. I hope you liked this video. As usual, if you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I see you in the next Abstrakt video next week. Ciao.